All right, so my strategy is not extreme. I'm just trying to get as much protein as I can in. Got some shakes, got some protein bars, want to stay hydrated, got some body armor, got some nuts for omega-3s and energy, pistachios, dried apricots, macadamia nuts. So just a simple approach, stay hydrated, try to get protein in where I can, and eat energy-filled foods. And outside of this, it won't be so hard because I'm gonna leave room to be flexible in my diet. But I'm also addressing the foundation of my diet as well. It's all about balance.